Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 5th May 2026. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, only from the one Father, not from any bodily being, do you receive the blessing of peace and happiness. Baba has come to show you the path to liberation and liberation in life. Question: what effort do you have to make in order to go back with the Father and then come at the beginning of the golden age? Answer: if you want to go back with the Father, become completely pure. In order to come at the beginning of the golden age, break your intellect's yoga away from everyone else and stay in remembrance of the one Father. Definitely become soul conscious. If you follow the directions of the one Father, you claim a right to an elevated status. Song is: show the path to us blind ones, dear God. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. Pay full attention to this knowledge that the Father teaches you. In this last birth, understand your 84 births with your third eye of this knowledge and become pure. Number 2. In order to be saved from being curses by Ravan, stay in remembrance of the one Father. Donate the 5 vices. Follow the directions of the one Father. Blessing for today. May you be seated on the heart throne and adopt a crown and a tilak by being Bap Dada's helpers. Details are: when a king is seated on his throne, a tilak and a crown are the signs of that. Similarly, those who are seated on the heart throne always have a tilak of their soul conscious stage visibly sparkling on their forehead. It can be seen from afar. The good wishes of benevolence for all souls is visible in their eyes and on their faces. Their every thought, word and action are equal to those of the Father. Slogan is: in order to have easy remembrance, imbibe the virtue of an easy nature and make your sanskars easy and simple. Avyakt signal. Constantly experience an unshakable, immovable and constant stage. Those who have imbibed power in their practical lives through this knowledge of the drama can never have any upheaval. This point of the drama provides the special power to remain constantly unshakable and immovable. Those who have imbibed it in the form of power can never be defeated. Every scene of this benevolent drama has one or another benefit merged in it. Be patient and practice seeing everything as a detached observer, and you will remain unshakable and immovable. Om Shanti.